let's pick up some stitches along a cast on or cast off edge. So you can see here along my cast off edge, if you just kind of pull apart, you can see the holes pretty well that we're going to be using. And if you flip it over or flip it to the side and you look at these kind of V shapes, that's what we're going to be going underneath. You see how those two legs just sit nicely on top of the needle. All right, let's start in the corner, which is always a little iffy looking. So, like I said, you want to make sure you have both legs sitting on the needle. So that is first and foremost. Make sure you have the right side of the work facing you as well. And I do have a video on what the right side and wrong side of your knitting are if you need help, and I'll put that in the description. So get your yarn. I'm using contrasting yarn, but you will probably be using the same yarn you were knitting with. Make sure to leave a little bit of tail. And now we're going to find that corner stitch and insert our needle. We're going to wrap the yarn around the needle and just scoop it through, making sure to adjust your tension so it's not too tight. Then we're going to go into the next one, and as you can see, here's the next V right here. This V on the edge is kind of strange looking, but this is the next V. And you can pull your knitting apart to see that hole. Insert the needle. Make sure you're not using the tail. You want to use the yarn connected to the ball. Wrap it around and bring it through. And then you just go down the line. I will also say if you want to use a crochet hook to do this, that is perfectly acceptable and sometimes very helpful, depending on the kind of yarn you're using. This is a pretty forgiving technique too. If you aren't like 100% sure which holes to be using, just make sure you aren't just picking up one leg, because then it's going to be a little flimsy and you don't want that. And this edge stitch is a little goofy looking, so I am going to use my crochet hook to get in there. Very tight. Okay. Make sure we get all of it on there. When you're finished, make sure you count the number of stitches that you've picked up and that it corresponds to your pattern. And what we've just done is picked up the knit stitches for the right side row. So when we flip it over, we're actually going to be on a wrong side row. So if I wanted to continue in stockinette, I'm actually going to purl this row, because this would be considered row number 2. And then you just continue on with your pattern.